Hey guys, today we're making rice. A lot of people in the comments have been asking me how to make crunchy rice and rice. So today I'm going to be showing you how. So now this is the rice I'm using, basmati rice, white rice. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to wash it so that all the bacteria and the, what's it called? Starch to get out. So basically what you want to do now is just get your rice, put it in here. So once I do this, I'm going to, real quick. Okay, so now what you want to do is, what you guys want to do is open it and start rinsing. Like this. You just want to do this till everything gets it, okay? Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is put it back into the bowl. So now we're going to put it back into the bowl. Here we go. So here, then once we do that, we're going to just transfer the rice to the bowl here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the rice, we're going to put water inside the rice like this. This is going to help the water steam. And so now what you want to do, this was 2 cups of water, and now what you want to do, take this to the stove right here, and then you want to turn on the heat to between 6 and 5, guys. It's been about 10 minutes since the rice has been cooking, so now let me show you the next part we're going to do, okay? So what you want to do, open the lid of the rice. Then what you want to do is mix it a little bit to let steam come out. Once you do this, guys, then you want to put the lid back on fully and then lower the heat and then let it cook for another 20 minutes. So here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this here. I'm going to close the lid like this. And now what I'm going to do is lower it down to 2. In between 3 to 2. And now we wait for another 20 minutes. Okay guys, so the crunchy rice is all ready and flipped. And so if you guys want it browner or more darker, you have to cook it a little more for longer. And so this is the end product, and let me just show you the piece of when we cut it. Here we go. And there we have it, guys. Crunchy rice. Bye. Shoosh.